children, tell me, what is this?
It is a flower.
Is it a flower?
Yes, it is.
Is it a leaf?
No, it is not.
Is it a leaf or flower?
It is a flower.
Is it a yellow flower or red flower?
It is a red flower.
Very good. What is this?
It is a bottle.
What is this?
It is a bottle.
Is it a bottle?
Yes, it is.
Is it a box?
No, it is not.
Is it a box or bottle?
It is a bottle.
Is it a yellow bottle or a blue bottle?
It is a blue bottle.
Very good. What is this?
It is a chair.
What is this?
It is a chair.
Is it a chair?
Yes, it is.
Is it a chair or table?
It is a chair.
Is it a red chair or green chair?
It is a green chair.
What is this?
It is a book.
What is this?
It is a book.
Is it a book?
Yes, it is.
Is it a book?
Yes, it is.
Is it a paper?
No, it is not.
Is it a book or paper?
It is a book.
Is it a red book or yellow book?
It is a red book.
Good. What is this?
It is a ruler.
What is this?
It is a ruler.
Is it a ruler?
Yes, it is.
Is it a leaf?
No, it is not.
Is it a leaf or ruler?
It is a ruler.
Very good. Is it a leaf or ruler?
It is a ruler.
Very good, children. You have learnt it very well. Then bye.